Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. In this particular video, we are going to set up the biometric of the Galaxy A52 device, which is the latest one that Samsung has released. And how can we set up our biometric or lock screen using the Galaxy A52? I will show you in this particular video. So first of all, you have to open up your setting, and in settings, scroll down towards the uh, a lock screen. Here you have different options like you can also use the swipe up, the pattern, the pin, password kind of lock screen. You will also have the face unlock and fingerprint scanner unlock as well. If you want to have a pattern unlock, which most of the people are going to using, you have to make that pattern, any kind of a pattern can be used, make continue, and then confirm it again, and your pattern lock will be done. So what you have to do is right now that you just need to press that lock button, and when it's turned on, it's going to be pattern locked. You can easily unlock that particular device. So the next one is obviously going to be the biometrics, in which we are going to use our fingerprint and face ID tool, which you can utilize and use both the face recognition system and fingerprint scanner inside your device. So for the fingerprint scanner, you just need to do some kind of scanning of your finger. You just need to press it here for quite a long time. It will do its work, and once it's going to be finished, your in-display fingerprint scanner will start working here. So I have done it. Its fingerprint has been registered. Now I'm going to press the lock screen and then turn it on, and it easily unlock the device. So that is a good method Samsung has implemented in the Super AMOLED display of the Galaxy A52. Next, we have the face recognition. You have to give the pattern here as well. It will ask you that do you have glasses or not, since I am using the glasses, so I am continuing that. So what you have to do is to take your face and put it in front of the device, and if I have a glasses, I have to take it off. Hold a second. Now it's completed. The face unlock, the face lock, you can say it has been registered here, and this is the simplest method you can use. I am going to use my face here. Yeah, it has detected my face, and now it's turning the lock on. So guys, that are three different methods through which you can lock and unlock your device. Probably the biometric are the good option you can use on your device, so it's going to be really great. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. I will bring out some more tips and tricks and do some testing about that particular device, particularly the gaming one. I will be doing on my channel and doing a water test as well. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.